Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the PS5 error code NW-102468-1 in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand why this error actually appears. So this error usually appears when your console fails to connect to the internet or PlayStation network due to timeout or unstable connection issues. So in order to fix it, the very first step that you need to take is to simply run the internet connection test. For that, you just have to go to the settings of your PS5. Inside the settings, you just have to simply look for the option of network. Inside network, select the option of connection status and then tap on the option of test internet connection. You need to basically check whether your PS5 successfully obtains an IP address and connects to the internet. If any of the step fails, it is going to indicate you where the issue is coming from. Next, you need to first of all turn off your PS5 completely. After that, you just have to unplug your router and your modem for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, simply plug them back in and wait for full connection and then turn on your PS5. This particular step is going to clear the network congestion and it also refreshes your connection. Now you can also improve the connection reliability by setting the DNS manually. So here inside the network settings, you just have to select the option of setup internet connection and then look for the advanced settings. Inside advanced settings, simply select the option of DNS settings. Over here, instead of automatic, you just have to select the manual option and then you need to define the primary and the secondary DNS. So the primary DNS is 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS is 8.8.4.4. So this can reduce the connection timeouts and it also improves the server communication. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.